See this question, which is correct stability order of oxyanions given below. Now first option is acetate ion. This acetate ion goes for resonance stabilization. This acetate ion goes for resonance stabilization. So and so resonance is possible. Due to that, the resonance hybrid, how it will be there means CH3 single bond O, pi bond will be distributed equally into both, -1 is equally distributed into both. Okay. Now, phenoxide resonance structure. Phenoxide resonance structure, if you see, this oxygen is having 3 lone pairs. So like this it will go, like this it will go. Therefore, this oxygen is having 2 lone pairs, double bond, here pi bond, here negative charge. That means this is having non-equivalent resonance structures. Non-equivalent resonance structures, whereas acetate is equivalent resonance structures. Equivalent resonance structures. Here what happens means these 3 CH3 group shows plus I effect. Here plus I effect is shown. Here it is showing plus I effect. So in third, plus I effect strength is high. In fourth, plus I effect strength is low. Plus I effect strength is low. Therefore, stability order, if you see, which is having higher stability in the sense, this acetate is having higher stability. Next stability is this phenoxide. Next stability is this ethoxide. Next one is this tertiary butoxide, because of higher plus I effect. Higher plus I effect. Here lesser plus I effect we can say. Therefore, we can say this option we can say. Next question we will take. In this question, it is anisole. This anisole we can give like this. Anisole we can give like this. Here lone pairs present. So resonance structures, if you see like this, we will write. Therefore, here OCH3, one lone pair, positive charge, double bond, here negative charge, here pi bonds. Next resonance structures, if you see, here OCH3, lone pair positive charge, here pi bond negative charge here. Next resonance structure, OCH3, positive charge, here negative charge. Like this possibility is there. Resonance structures will be like this. Therefore, which resonance structure possible for this one in the sense so and so. Here negative charge is missing. That's all. Here negative charge is missing. Okay. So this resonance structure is contributing more extent, because the rest of the things and all given carbon positive charge. Carbon positive charge in the sense it is not resonance structures. Therefore, this one we will give. Here negative charge we have to give. Next, this is diazomethane. Diazomethane we will write like this: CH2, N double bond N. Like this we will write. Here one lone pair is there. Like this we can write. Here let us write this structure like this. So the bond, if you shift, you will get CH2. Carbon is getting a negative charge. Then this nitrogen lone pair, double bond nitrogen lone pair, positive charge. It is one resonance structure. Next resonance structure we will see. Next resonance structure we can write like this. This lone pair here already it is having positive charge. Therefore, lone pair will not shift. Lone pair will not shift. This lone pair this lone pair here lone pair is there. Okay. Otherwise, like this shift we will write. This lone pair is shifting. This bond pair is shifting. Like that we will take. Then we will write CH2. Carbon is having negative charge. This N triple bond. N is having lone pair, and this N is having positive charge. Like this we can write. This is one resonance structure. Next resonance structure, this lone pair shifting as pi bond. Therefore, CH2 double bond N, while this pi bond has to convert into lone pair. So here two lone pairs, here negative charge. For nitrogen, positive charge we will write. This is the resonance structure we have written. Sorry, okay. So next possible resonance structure we will write. Next possible resonance structure for this. So here carbon is having negative charge, we said. Okay, next possible resonance structure is what, in the sense this bond is shifting to N. Therefore, CH2 single bond N is having lone pair, double bond, N is having two lone pairs, negative charge, carbon is having positive charge. Like this we can give. Sorry. Next resonance structure we have to give. Next resonance structure, how to give, in the sense here this pi bond will shift. This pi bond will shift here. If we shift this pi bond here, we will get like this. Now this pi bond alone we will shift this side. Otherwise we will do one thing. This pi bond will shift here. This pi bond will shift here. Like that we will do it. Therefore, CH2 here negative charge, then single bond N, then this double bond. Here what shall we do, in the sense this is shifting as pi bond, lone pair. So lone pair will give single bond N, two lone pairs will give it, two lone pairs. So now one bond is shifted, therefore here negative charge will not be there, but here positive charge will be there. Next we will shift like this. So CH2 here lone pair negative charge, single bond N, lone pair will be there, double bond N, lone pair will be there, positive charge will be there. Okay. Now if you see here, in number of bonds more means stability will be more. Okay. So here 4 bonds, here also 4 bonds, here 3 bonds, here 3 bonds. Therefore 1 and 2 will have higher stability, 3 and 4 will have lesser stability. Okay. So in the 3 and 4, this N plus is electron deficient. 6 electrons are there. 6 electrons, in the sense electron deficient means stability will be less. Okay. Then this C plus also, this C plus, if you see 6 electrons are there, therefore it is also having less stability, electron deficient. Therefore we can say 3 is having less stability than 4. Why 4 is having still less stability means because nitrogen is more electronegative, but carbon is less electronegative. Therefore, in 2 and 1, if you see, which is having more stability, in the sense nitrogen more electronegative atom is having negative sign. Therefore, 2 is more stability than 1. So 2 is greater than 1, greater than 3, greater than 4. Like this it will come. Okay. Therefore, here in this one, actually what will happen means this here interchange, this option will come here. The C option will come. Okay. So 2 is more stability. Why? Because highest stability, because all are octet, and nitrogen is having more high electronegative atom. In the first one, all are octet. Carbon is having negative charge. Therefore, 2 is more stable, 1 is less stable. 3 and 4, if you see, carbon is electron deficient, 6 electrons. This N is an electron deficient, 6 electrons. Therefore, 3 is more stable than 4. Like this it will come. Okay. Next question will take hyperconjugation. Tertiary butyl carbocation will take. Tertiary butyl carbocation. Here CH3 will take. This CH3, here plus charge will be there. This sigma bond, and here empty p orbital. This empty p orbital will go for a hyperconjugation. Therefore, what you will get, in the sense, here CH2, This is H plus double bond C, this CH3, CH3. Like this it is possible. Okay. Sigma P. This is sigma bond is CH bond. P is C plus empty orbital. Then butadiene will take butadiene CH2 double bond CH single bond CH but2ene. Here but2ene is given. So but2ene will take. So but2ene is CH3 CH double bond CH CH3. but2ene will take. In this C2 alone will take. C2 electronic configuration is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, then pi 2px2, pi 2py2. Okay, that means pi star is vacant. Therefore, in this pi star molecular orbital and this sigma undergoes delocalization. Undergoes a delocalization. Okay, so sigma pi star electron delocalization we can say. Therefore, what we will get, that we will see CH3, CH3, this CH here plus not, it is minus single bond CH double bond CH2 H plus like this will come. Okay, this question will take. In this case, what happens means CH3 C double bond O, two lone pairs are there. This oxygen is having two lone pairs and CH3. This one is single bond. It is single bond. Now here resonance is possible. Due to resonance, what we will get in the sense CH3 CO minus. Here three lone pairs will be there. Double bond O plus. Here CH3 will be there. Therefore, if you see O is plus, therefore this bond length will be high because single bond. O is having plus charge, therefore bond length is less. Here negative charge is there, therefore bond length is more. Therefore, if you see this is A, if you take A will be greater, then this B and this C will be greater. So that we can say A greater than C greater than B, we can say. A greater than C greater than B, we can say. Why? Because here negative charge is there. Due to negative charge, this bond length will be increased. Here positive charge is there. Therefore, bond length will be decreased. Therefore, it is having highest bond length because single bond. Next lower is this. Next lower is this one. Like this, we can say. Next, here if you take this carbon, cannot take, if you take sp2 hybridization, we have to give triangular planar. If it takes triangular planar, it will go for delocalization. How it will take triangular planar? It cannot take triangular planar, therefore delocalization not possible. That's why it is not square, it is rectangle. Okay, let us stop.